If you need to rotate an image in Photopea, whether it's the entire canvas or just one layer, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. By the end, you'll know how to turn a photo sideways, flip it upside down, or rotate just a single object with precision. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's cover rotating the entire canvas. This is the option you want if you've opened a vertical photo and need to turn it into a horizontal layout, or if the whole document is simply facing the wrong direction. To do this, go to the top menu bar in Photopea and click Image, then hover over Transform. From here, you'll see a few rotation options. If you want to turn the entire canvas clockwise, choose Rotate 90 degrees right. If you want to rotate it counterclockwise, choose Rotate 90 degrees left. And if the image needs to be flipped completely upside down, choose Rotate 180 degrees. Photopea will instantly apply the rotation to the whole document, including every layer inside it. Now, if you do not want to rotate everything, and instead you only want to turn one specific photo, object, or text layer, then you'll want to use Free Transform. This is especially useful when your design has multiple elements and only one part needs to be adjusted. Start by selecting the exact layer you want to rotate from the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted because Photopea will only transform the active layer. Once that layer is selected, press Ctrl, Alt, and T on Windows, or CMD, Opt, and T on Mac. This opens the Free Transform tool and places a bounding box around your layer. You'll see square handles around the object. To rotate it, move your mouse just outside one of the corner handles until the cursor changes into a curved, double-sided arrow. Then click and drag to spin the layer freely in any direction you want. This gives you full control over the angle, so you can tilt the image slightly, rotate it sideways, or line it up perfectly with your design. If you want more precise rotation, here's a great pro tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging, and Photopea will snap the rotation into neat 15-degree increments. That makes it much easier to get clean angles like 45 degrees or 90 degrees without guessing. Once you're happy with the position, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm and lock in the rotation. If you ever make a mistake, you can always undo it and try again until it looks right. So to recap, use Image and Transform when you want to rotate the entire canvas, and use Free Transform when you only want to rotate one layer. That's the fastest way to rotate an image in Photopea with confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Photopea tips and step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.